boys and girls. I'm so happy that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. We're going to have a good time today. And you know what? I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Sebi.
Hi.
I have Miss Emily.
Hi.
And I have Miss Cadence.
Hi.
And I have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And guess what, boys and girls? We're going to be making Fiesta Bake. Do you know what Fiesta means?
What?
A party. We're going to have a party.
Fiesta Bake?
Uh-huh. We're going to make a casserole that's has all kinds of layers in it. Does that sound fun? So we're going to have fun making it too, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with, boys and girls, is we have some green enchilada sauce. So we're going to take, and I'm going to also tell you what we've done. I've already sauteed the onions, and you can use either, oh, you like our tongs, don't you, Miss Emily? Boom, boom, boom. You like those? They work really good, don't they? We'll use those when we get our vegan cheese, okay? So I've taken the some vegan chicken, and you can either use vegan chicken or vegan burger, like a ground burger. Which do you think I should use today?
Vegan.
One of them or both of them?
Both of them. Both.
All right, you can do that too, boys and girls. You can use them both if you want. That's okay. If you guys want them both, that's what we'll do. Okay? So we're going to start with our green enchilada sauce. So, Miss Cadence, you want to take and put your cup in there? You don't really have to measure, boys and girls. You're just gonna, and you know what I need to do quick before that? You want to spray the bottom of your pan. So I'm going to quick do that in the sides. Woo! There we go. Okay, put a little bit more in there. When you put a little bit more sauce, what you want to do, you don't really have to measure, boys and girls. We just want to spread it out. Okay, Emily, you want to get the spoon and spread this out? Good job. And we're just going to leave this right over here because we'll use this again, okay? And Sebi, you want to get a spoon and come over and help him? And then Ben, you can come over here too, because now what you guys are going to do is you're going to take some corn tortillas. You might want to come over here and stand by Sebi. Because what you're going to do, and I'll move some of this stuff over here, and you're going to take the corn tortillas. So I'm going to give you each a couple corn tortillas, and I want you to tear them in. Yes, you can take a couple of them, and I want you to tear them in pieces. Give Sebi some. Here, Sebi. There you go. Tear them in pieces and put them on the bottom. And so what you're going to do is cover the bottom. So, and it doesn't matter the size of the pieces, boys and girls. You just want to make sure that you cover the bottom, okay? So get it all covered up. And I wanted to show you what I used the McKay's chicken style seasoning for. You can use this to season your vegan chicken pieces, okay? When I sauteed them with the onions. And you can also saute the burger, but then I usually put in the K's beef seasoning if I saute the burger. Okay? So I just wanted to show you what that looked like. Oh, you guys are doing a good job. That one needs to be, well, that's okay. You guys can say a little bit smaller. Can you cover up right over here, boys? And Sebi, you got a corner right over there because you really want to make it good. And Sebi, you can stay there because next you guys can get your spoons. And you can use a knife, actually. That will work good. This corner, too. Okay, that's enough. Now, you can get a spoon, your spoon or your knife, and spoon some rice over here. Spoon some rice. Your next layer will be rice. And if you don't get the layers exactly right, boys and girls, it's okay. Let's move over and let Sebi in there, guys. And, oh, now this I'm going to put over here because we don't want to use it if it drops on the floor, okay?
This one's dirty.
Oh, is that one dirty? Oh, use the bigger one then, Emily. Use this one, okay? There you go. So you want to cover that with a nice layer of rice. You guys are doing awesome. You want me to give you
Cinda,
some more to spread
look,
around?
I can just go like
Okay,
that.
but you need to spread it out too, because you don't want to. You only want to use half the rice, and you want to spread it out.
Come right down to my apron and then down into the
Oh, it might have gone. Yep, down into your pocket. Okay. All right, that's enough rice. Okay, now next you want to put. Sebi, can you reach the beans? Ben, stay there, because you're going to need to put some beans over, and you're going to spread some beans. Okay?
I know,
Put
I got it.
half. Let's put half the beans in. Half the black beans and half the pinto beans.
Can I do
Here, Emily. Let's let them have this. And now put half these in. And Ben, you can help spread it out with a spoon. Okay?
I want some beans.
You want to help with the beans? Okay, get your spoon. Get your spoon,
Miss Cinda.
Cadence.
You want us to use all of it?
Use half of it, because we're going to do
Okay,
another.
okay.
Actually, you know what? Our container, if you have a deeper dish, boys and girls, you can repeat the layers, but we don't have a deep dish, so go ahead and put them all on. And Cadence, you can reach in there and spread those beans out, okay? See right here, you can spread those out to the corner like this, because you want to make them nice and even all over the top, okay?
I want to do those.
And then we're going to do that next, okay? So you can put that on next. So then get them all spread out. You can dump it. Yeah, you can just do that. And what I've done is I just drained the juice off, boys and girls. You can drain it off, and you don't have to rinse them if you don't want, but if you don't want that extra juice, you can, but I didn't. Okay, now next, you guys, put the vegan chicken layer on.
Oh, you already had.
There you go. There you go. And Emily, give Emily some of the chicken mixture over there so she can spread it on that end. Boys, can you put some of that over there for Emily? No, that's a good idea. Good idea, Sebi. Here, Emily, you can put that on that end. Put it right down here, and then spread it out. Boys, can you help her spread it out? And spread all that out. See how we're just making layers, boys and girls? We're layering it all nice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bake it. This is so yummy. You're going to love it.
Uh-huh. What are we going to use the olives for? Is that going to be the next layer, Miss Cinda?
Nope, the olives are going to go on top. Now, if you like spicy, who likes jalapenos?
Not me.
Not you.
A little bit.
A little bit?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, if you like jalapenos or you like a hot sauce, you could put hot sauce on top of that.
You pushed me off.
Oh dear, we don't want to do that. Here, Emily. Okay, let's get all that on here, guys. Okay? And now, boys, put the burger on top of that. And get the burger and put it on top and let the girls help spread it out. There you go. Get all the burger, and then here, take this and you can help spread out the burger.
This is gonna take this.
Okay. I'll put it in the middle like that. How was that? Can you get it, Ben? Here. Ben, here. Take this, and you can get in there, and you can help get the burger. Good job. Good job, guys. Who's having fun?
Me.
Who helps their mommies in the kitchen at home?
Sometimes.
There, you got it,
I love
Emily.
baking with my mom.
You do? It's fun, isn't it?
But Kashana makes bake with his mom.
Oh.
I got a Hello Kitty birthday.
You did? Did you help your mommy cook for it?
No,
You didn't?
no.
Well, now
Only my mommy did it.
well, now you can help her because you're learning how to cook. Oh, you can tell your mommy I'm learning how to cook, so I'm going to be a good helper. Huh?
Thank you.
Oh, there you go. Okay, here.
put it on the
Spread it out here, Ben. See, look. Look all over, guys, and spread it out good. Okay, now you need some more tortillas.
Oh.
Actually, you could put a little bit more rice on top of that. Why don't you do that? Put a little bit of rice on the top. How about I go like this, Ben? You guys, there. Spread that out, guys.
Oh,
We'll get more, Emily. It's okay. We got plenty. Spread the rice all over, and you want to make sure you get it even. Good job, Sebi. Okay, now.
You want me to just set it on there, maybe?
Nope. You want to tear it up into pieces. Tear the corn tortillas, and now you want to cover the top again, boys and girls, with corn. A little smaller, Ben. That's a little bit too big for the pieces. You want to do this smaller. See, look how Miss Cinda's doing it. See that? Little smaller. That's how you do it.
Kind of sprinkle it on there.
Yeah, but you want to cover all of the top. Don't leave any spaces. Here's some more. Cover all the top. Good job, Cadence. Good job. You guys are going to be good help with your moms and dads.
My dad was a little bit smaller, but I was a little baby actually.
You used to be a little baby, and you're not anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, now you guys, I need you to take and pat it down. Take your hands. Go ahead, Sebi. Help them. Take your hands and pat it down.
It's like
Okay.
rain falling.
Yep. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take and real carefully, boys, you do this.
I don't
Take.
have it.
Well, you'll get it. Oh, we're almost done. That's our kitchen timer. Can you get in there, Sebi? Here, Ben, move over so Sebi can get in. There you go. And you want to put that all over the top, boys and girls. And guess what? Miss Cinda's made some already, so you're going to get to taste it. Who wants to taste it?
Me.
Oh, we're going to get to taste it. It's yummy. Oh, it's also very hot. So I'm going to put it on a towel. Look at this, boys and girls. What do you think?
Wow.
That's what you just made. So you want to sprinkle some olives on the top now, okay?
But I don't
Now
like
sprinkle, Ben, can you get the vegan cheese over there? And you guys can sprinkle the vegan cheese on?
I knew there was cheese on it.
You did, didn't you? You guys are smart. You're not going to let me forget, are you? No.
I want to help.
Here, let me give.
Spread this out.
Oh, thank you, Sebi. That's so nice. I love it when you guys share and you help each other out. That is so awesome. And then you guys can put some olives on it too, okay? You can just use your hands because you all washed your hands, so you can just use your hands. Can you get some, Ben?
I washed my hands.
Yes. Who likes olives?
Me.
Oh, I love olives. And
can't
sometimes when I'm cooking, I sneak and eat some olives.
I do that too.
Do you do that too? Oh, I love them. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. We're all out of time today, boys and girls. But you know what? I hope you've had fun. And remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.